Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to turn off or shut down your computer with a keyboard shortcut. For this, you need to create a shutdown shortcut icon first, and after that you can assign that desktop shortcut to a keyboard shortcut to quickly shut down your PC. For that, right click on the free space on the desktop and then select here new option and then this one shortcut. In the box you need to type shutdown a space S a space T and then 0 and then click on this one next button. Name it as shutdown or turn off your PC, then click on this one finish button. This will create a desktop shortcut. Now right click on this one desktop shortcut, select here properties option. In the shortcut tab you need to place the cursor beside shortcut key box, and now you need to type any letter or number from your keyboard. For instance, I have pressed S on my keyboard. Now Windows will automatically assign Control plus Alt to that shortcut. That means my keyboard shortcut to shut down my Windows 11 PC will be Control plus Alt plus S. In this case, to apply the changes, click on this one apply button and then this one OK button. Now we can always shut down my Windows 11 PC by pressing Control plus Alt plus S on keyboard.